How does the pig make noise? Very good. How does the cat make noise?
Meow.
How does the chicken make noise?
Cucaro.
Very good. How does the dog make noise?
Bob.
Very good. And how does the horse make noise? Very good. And how does the frog make noise? Very good. And how does the sheep make noise?
Me.
Look at me. How does the sheep make noise?
Me.
And how does the pig make noise? Very good. Thank you, my boy.